Imagine being able to create stunning, high-quality AI images without ever clicking more than once. No hours wasted, no complicated software, no limits holding you back. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Whisk AI, a revolutionary tool that lets you generate beautiful images in seconds with just a single click. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a content creator wanting endless visuals, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, this method will save you hours while giving you practically unlimited results. In this video, you'll see firsthand how to harness the full power of Whisk AI, how to set it up so you can automate image creation effortlessly, and the simple tricks that make every image look unique and professional. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to create 1 or 2 images, you'll know how to generate entire collections instantly, giving you a creative superpower you can use again and again. Stick with me, because I'll break it down step by step, show you the tools, the shortcuts, and even some insider tips that most people don't know, so you can start producing amazing visuals in one click. This isn't just theory, I'll show you live examples, demonstrate the process from start to finish, and make sure that by the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to start creating unlimited AI images effortlessly. Once you've got the hook and intro, it's time to dive into the main body, where the real magic happens. And this is where your viewers will learn exactly how to generate unlimited images with Whisk AI first. It's important to understand what Whisk AI actually is and why it's so powerful. Unlike other AI tools that require you to manually enter text prompts and wait for a single image at a time, Whisk AI allows you to upload a subject image, select a scene or style, and instantly generate multiple variations. This makes it perfect for creating batches of images quickly without sacrificing quality. To start, I'll walk you through a simple example. Imagine you have a photo of a landscape or a character, and you want to see it in different styles: realistic, cartoon, futuristic, or even abstract. With Whisk AI, you simply upload your image, choose your desired style, and click the Generate button. You'll instantly see multiple variations, all based on your original image, and each one can be downloaded individually. Now, while this is already impressive, the true power comes when you automate this process. Instead of repeating the upload and click process hundreds of times, you can use a browser extension or automation tool designed specifically for Whisk AI. These tools allow you to prepare a list of images or prompts in advance, configure the extension to run automatically, and then generate hundreds or even thousands of images without any manual effort. For example, you can create a text file with dozens of scene ideas, upload a few base images, and let the automation handle the rest. While the tool runs, you'll see image after image being generated and automatically saved to your computer, giving you an. Now that you've seen the full process from start to finish, let's take a moment to recap everything and tie it all together. You've learned how Whisk AI works, how to set it up to generate images, and most importantly, how to automate the process so you can create unlimited images with just one click. We explored how to prepare your prompts or source images, how to use automation tools to save time, and even some creative tips to make each image unique and professional looking. The beauty of this method is that it doesn't just give you a few images, opens the door to endless possibilities for art, content creation, marketing visuals, or even just experimenting for fun. Now, it's up to you to take what you've learned and start generating your own collections, testing different prompts, and seeing what amazing results you can produce. Remember, the key is consistency and creativity. Keep exploring different styles, subjects, and scenes, and watch as your library of AI-generated images grows exponentially. If you try this method and see results, share your creations with others. Comment below what you generated, and keep experimenting, because the more you practice, the more refined and unique your images will become. This is just the beginning of what you can do with Whisk AI and automation. Once you master this workflow, you'll have a powerful creative tool at your fingertips that saves time, sparks ideas, and makes your projects look incredible. So go ahead, put this into action, create your unlimited gallery of AI images, and let your imagination run wild, because now you have the knowledge and the tools to make it happen effortlessly.